So welcome back. This one will be a quick but important one. What you want to do today is to make this row here clickable. So it's simple. We just have to go to move row and here on our card. You should know by now that we can make everything clickable using the modifier. So you can just import this property here. So clickable. And here, what do you have here? So we can pass a lambda here. So we can create a lambda here, like on item click, something like this. And this should be expecting this parameter string here. So we're saying that we are expecting a string back here in this callback. So we can do this. And here in the clickable, we can just pass this on click here and pass the movie title that we are receiving from the click that is happening on our card. So now here in this item, we expecting this string that we just are saying about. So here we can just tell, let's make a log here so you can see what we are doing. So something like this. Let's call this movie title like this. And here we can pass our movie title like this. Let's call this movie title so it's more clear for us. Movie title like this. And I'm sad now for this reason. So now I think it's okay. Actually, let's just try out. You see if it's work or not. So here you have your app running. So let's go to log catch, filter by tag that it's this name here. Let's clear it out and let's click and see if you saw the movie title and the item we are clicking. So this is a quick one, but really important one. And see you soon.